Hey boys and girls, this is a video just for the IXL for today. The IXL is actually pretty easy, but I figured I would do this just in case you need it. So with this IXL, what it is what you're doing is it's a review from last week. So you're going to look for the different transformations. Like for example, this first one, they want you to know which image shows a reflection. Well, if you remember, a reflection is a mirror image. So you got to look at them and you got to say to yourself, well, is this a mirror image? No, that one's not a mirror image. And a mirror image is where you see something backwards. Okay, then you look at this. Is this a mirror image? No. Right here would be a mirror image because what you're seeing it as it would be backwards. So if I was to draw it, it would look like this. Okay, so that's a reflection right there. So it would be C. Okay, and then this one here, they want to know which one shows a reflection. So sometimes this can get kind of tough because when you're looking at these, you're looking for that mirror image here. But you can also kind of do it like this because you know the line of reflection, if you look at these things, they're all on, basically, if I was to draw a line like this, they all kind of go through this line except for C. So if I draw a line at the same part, and I'm reflecting off of here, I can kind of go to this top dot and count down 1, 2, 3. So that's 3, and then I can count down 3 this way. So I'm looking for one that has a point right here. Only one that has a point right there is B, right here. So that's its mirror image. Okay? Now let's see if we can get a different type of question here, one that doesn't ask for reflection. Okay, so a rotation. Now rotations are a little tough. But rotation, you're just going to have to imagine the shape being rotated around this point right here, right in the middle. So as I'm looking, we're looking for one where this piece is going to be rotated and it's going to be laying this way. Okay. Now I see that kind of with A. So honestly, I believe the answer is A because if I'm imagining this doing a 90-degree rotation, it's going to kind of look like exactly what we see here, kind of like this, where we have the one part of the triangle and then have it to go down, right to there and then over here. Okay? It definitely looks like it's going to be A. All right. And again, then we're looking for a rotation, so forth. So you want to look for the one that's been rotated. Now, do the Khan Academy assignment first because they're going to talk about all this. We're going to talk about how to identify this. So this activity should be done after Khan Academy. Now, challenge zone, basically there's only one level here. So it's the same deal again. You're looking for the one this one wants a rotation. I'm just going to see if there's anything else. Let's see if we can get a translation. I'll just keep bouncing back and forth until I get one. Looks like they don't want to give me one. All right. So a rotation here, I'll just continue with this until I get the translation stuff. So now if you were to rotate this into this quadrant right here, this L would actually look like this. And here, I'll draw it for you. It would actually look like where it would be standing up like that. So then when we rotate it into here, the L is actually going to be laying on its side like this. So that definitely looks like that one would probably be A. Yeah. But again, like I told you, watch the Khan Academy stuff. All right, now a reflection with this one. If you're looking at it, this one looks like you want the opposite. So see how that's on the same side? That's not going to work. This one's opposite, but it's kind of shifted over a little bit. So I'm going to say that's going to be A because it's pretty much in the same spot. All right, we're going to have to end the video here. Just remember that a translation is a slide. Oh, here we go. So you're looking for the figure that slides. So it stays the same orientation, but it slides. So it has the same orientation, meaning it can't be spun around or backwards. This one's backwards, this one's spun around. So it's B because it has that same shape. It just slid in that direction. All right, guys, best of luck. Okay, use this video if you need help.